students, today we are studying about the conducting system of heart. Do you know about there are two types of hearts are there? One is myogenic and myogenic heart. Second one is neurogenic heart. Myogenic and neurogenic, these are the two types of hearts present from animals. Myo word is related to muscles, genic means to initiate, means the muscles present in wall of heart, they can initiate the contraction and relaxation. Such type of heart is called as myogenic heart. All the vertebrates animals having myogenic heart is there. Neuro word is related to nervous system, means contraction and relaxation of the heart initiated by nervous system. Such type of heart is called as neurogenic heart. Okay, but when we study about the human heart is a myogenic heart that is made up from specialized tissues, that is called as cardiac tissue, and the cardiac tissue is having the speciality to undergo contraction and relaxation since from birth to up to death. Okay, but in that cardiac tissue there are special type of tissues are also there, that the tissues are called as nodal tissue. There are special type of tissues present in the wall of heart that are called as nodal tissues, and that nodal tissues are concerned with the conducting system of heart. Okay, in conducting system of heart there are different type of nodal tissues are there. Number one is SA node. S for sino, A for atrial node, sinoatrial node. Second one is AV node, atrioventricular node. Third one is bundle of His. Fourth one is Purkinje fibers. These are the four types of nodal tissues present in the wall of the heart. That's why the continuous contraction and relaxation of the heart get regulated. Heart takes place. Now what happens? First of all, we study about the first nodal tissue, that is called as SA node, or that is also called as pacemaker, sinoatrial node. It is present in right auricle nearer to the opening of superior vena cava. This SA node is useful for initiate the wave of contractions. Whenever the SA node initiates the wave of contractions, that wave of contractions get spread along the wall of auricles. Then depolarization takes place. Atrial depolarization takes place. Atrial contraction takes place. Whenever the SA node initiates the wave of contraction, waves get transmit over the wall of auricles. Then immediately auricles get contracted. Whenever the auricles get contracted, the blood from right auricle enters into right ventricle. Blood from left auricle enters into left ventricle. Then what happens? This SA node is called as pacemaker. Pace means duration, to make the duration between two contractions. If these nodal tissues are absent from heart, then what happens? All the chambers get contract immediately and relax immediately. Contraction and relaxation, rhythmic contraction and relaxation, alternate contraction and relaxation of the heart takes place due to presence of this conducting system. In the conducting system, first one is SA node. They can initiate the wave of contractions that get spread along the wall of auricles. Then auricles get contracted. Now second one is AV node is there, atrioventricular node, or it is also called as auriculoventricular node. It is also present in right auricle. It is below to the intraarterial septum, slightly toward the left side, slightly towards the right side in right auricle. There is an atrioventricular node is there. That atrioventricular node is also called as space setter. But this SA node and AV node that get interconnected to each other due to presence of nodal fibers. What happens? This AV node receives the sum of the wave of contractions from SA node, and that get transmit toward the third type of nodal tissues present in wall of heart, that is called as bundle of His. This bundle of His is also called as ventricular node, ventricular node. Bundle of His is also called as ventricular node. These are present in interventricular septum. What happens? AV node receives the wave of contractions from SA node that get transmit toward the bundle of His. Bundle of His bifurcates into two branches, and that get spread along the wall of ventricles. These branches of nerve fibers, branches of bundle of His that get spread along the wall of ventricle, these branches are called as, these fibers are called as Purkinje fibers, discovered by Purkinje. That's why name is given Purkinje fibers. Wave of contraction initiated by SA node, received by AV node. That wave of contraction sent toward the bundle of His bifurcates into many branches spread along the wall of ventricles. Then whenever the wave of contraction spread along the wall of ventricle, then ventricles get contracted. Then what happens whenever the right ventricle and left ventricle, both ventricles get contracted? Blood from right ventricle get pumped into pulmonary artery, carries up to the lung for oxygenation, and the blood from left ventricle pumped into the aorta, carried up to each and every part of the body. In this way, there is a rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart takes place due to presence of these nodal tissues in the wall of heart.